Let's do number 39. 39, page 542. Same story, simplify and state any restriction that may apply here, right? And the problem is x minus 2 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now what should we do here? Ideas. Well, let's start with the restrictions, right? I have to make sure that my denominator here, x squared minus 2x minus 8, is different than 0. And in order for me to find for what values of my x this expression is different than 0, I'm going to make it equal to 0. And I will solve for x. There are many ways. You can just, factorize this thing. Which way do you guys want to go? Factorizing or using the quadratic formula? Factorize, okay. Well, it seems to me, and should be obvious for you, that the first term of your two binomials, if this trinomial can be factorized, will be what? First two terms will be x, right? Because x times x gives me x squared. Next, I'm looking at my last term here, alright? Negative 8. So it seems that I need to find common factors, not common factors, I'm sorry, factors of negative 8 in such a way that they add up to negative 2. So what possible factors you have for negative 8? Negative 4 and 2, right? Negative 4 times 2 gives me negative 8. And let's add them up. What is that? Negative 4 plus 2 will be negative 2. Well, it's exactly what I need, right? Because I need the middle term to be the sum of the two last terms. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. It seems to me that my factorization here is x minus 4 times x plus 2. No, it says x minus 4. Boys and girls, negative 4 plus 2. All right. Oh, okay. You did. Good point. I forgot to change the sign here. Plus. So I have plus, which means this is not the good factorization here, right? My factorization has to be 4 and negative 2. So I need to have 4 times negative 2, because 4 plus negative 2, which is 4 minus 2, will give me 2, right? So that one was not good. I'm looking for x minus 2 times x plus 4. All right. We're not done yet, because we have to find for what values of x this expression is 0, right? And you're going to equal to 0 every one of your factors. So I have what? X minus 2 equals 0, which means your x1 is what? 2. X plus 4 equals 0, and you have x2 equals negative 4. Now, what should be my restrictions here? My restrictions are what? X has to be different than 2, and x has to be different than negative 4. Do you understand what I'm putting that restriction? Do you guys understand? Why is that? Because for these two values, my denominator here will be 0. And now, because I got the factorization, that's going to help me to simplify my expression, right? And my expression is what? X minus 2 over x minus 2 times x plus 4. Can we simplify by anything here? By x minus 2. And the answer would be what? 1 over x plus 4. And this is it.